Alright, back again. Working on this 14 Maxima 3.5. Oh yeah, time for them valve cover gaskets. So I already started working on it. Just want to give y'all a little update. But starting to see, you can tell right there. What you really can see is leaking on that back side. Look at that. There might be a little coolant on top of that too though. But that was right there is oil. So I'm gonna finish getting all these harness and shit out the way. And then we'll be back. Alright, so got this back valve cover off. I'm gonna go around and clean it up. But you know they put a little extra right here in this corner. That's where you have to put the little extra RTV. Yeah, right there. Just like on the 3.0, the Nissan 3.0s. This is a 3.5 though. But you have to put a little extra RTV right there in the corners. But I'm gonna clean this up real quick. Probably won't take long. Then I'll get to doing this front one. Alright, we over here at the valve cover. Just want to show y'all the part number. VS50770R for the 3.5 on both sides valve cover, 2 seals, 2 camshaft seal, the oil pump inlet tube seal, I think it's all in there. So let's pull this old gasket out. So let's open up this new one. Let's see what this is. Oh. Just seal it off up in there like that. And it just slides in place like that. Oh, and then it comes with these are the camshaft sensor seal. Oh, I thought it broke. So they 2 separate pieces. Pull them out, let's see what we got. Oh, there was one piece. Like that. Let me get that back in, then we work on the other one. Alright, but got that back one now back together. See that nice blue gasket in there. But when you're working on this little wire harness thing, it's sitting off in the see if I can get them for you. Sitting off in a little clip right there. just take like a long flathead. Push that tab right there over. Push it to the left. Then it'll slide up. Pull it and slide it up off that little tab. Camera focus there. It'll slide up that little tab right there. I almost got this about ready to come off now.